Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily stop Microsoft Edge from blocking any of your downloads from any websites. Let's begin. First, open up Edge on your Windows. And from here, I want you to click on this icon, three-dotted icon, click on it to reveal more options. Go to Settings. On the left panel, click on Privacy, Search, and Services. Here, click on Site Permissions, then simply go to All Permissions. Scroll down until you find this option, all right? If it's not here, you can scroll down, but find this option, pop-ups and redirects. Most likely your downloads are getting blocked because you have this enabled by default. So toggle this off, disable this, and this will automatically enable all of your downloads. So Microsoft Edge can sometimes block downloads that it thinks are unsafe, even when you know the file is perfectly legitimate. So this is actually how you can just toggle in between. So just simply disable this option and pretty much you're good to go. You will no longer face those issues and getting blocks downloading any content or files online. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.